Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel MIZO Education Hub. Voina rationalization can start dona rationalization chapter 3 pakat can start dona. Chumi machuan one thing I just want to tell you that music is one of the most important part, whether it is competition or something else. Chumi wangchuan ka suggest so hlating ai tlatrinula lekha inzira break claim antinan darkar ni inzira darkar khatlechan ve continuously inzira. After that listen music thilte ayu trinula nitin music pahat ka suggestion to don choni Chris Brown la loyal ania chun Lil Wayne le Tiger an panen an feature Kasoichan Ju Tahian in Chiar Thenga. Research has shown that listening to music can reduce anxiety, blood pressure, BP, and pain, as well as improve sleep quality, mood, mental alertness, and memory. That's why you should definitely listen music le movies and vetrinula chun revision is most important thing. Mo revision chu revise ngay turin thengel turan imi aloni thilte mo in thengel turan lau chumi turchuan in revision ngay thilte. Okay, so rationalization can start dona masing chumi machuan thil pahat so turkanaya. Here as you can see, these are the people, these are the aspirants, those who helped me a lot, those who donated me in ming tahian ka save zela amana po khan voi khat kadil to chautro January ahan kamilis kachu kaiman ka save to separate in hemechu mania ka deal khania. Hey antam vea kalom tuk, thank you so much for donating me. Just because of you guys I get motivation. I will be motivated and I will make videos for you guys. So tuna can start anga tiyan ka save zeldon mo ka record zeldona ka recorda. So what is rationalization? Mitam tagen rationalization tapo emi zirtura ni mi zirtlak le ne machanchu 2 by root 7 ani chuan achunga le anwaya root 7 in kan multiplying a tok dalom kan simplifying a hemi hi anilaw achanange achanchu tiyan an tinan 1 by cube root of 5 and each one mitam takin achunga po cube root of 5 le anwaya po cube root of 5 in and multiplying a adik law hemi hi adik ngai law chumi turchan. You should know the basic concept when a basic concept tira trangin hey 0 level train advanced level tlang kashil don chau tira train top tlang video in ngai. So what is rationalization? Atopa tion anetro tion shimshimichu process anitrina and tirnan chemistry apo kanzir todro combination reaction reactant panian omachun product pakatasiam triadro chumechu combination reaction yachun decomposition reaction chu reactant pahat train product panikan re chu tiang bok chon rationalization pohi enge omzia ber kan rationalize don tinani chu. It is a process to rationalize something. Anwayami hai denominator mi irrational numbers teka rational numbers akan tlakanga chumithil chu rationalization kantetrin. We should focus on the denominator only. So anwaya radical heminia radical mitam tagene then rationalization hi ahawanti meithea maseng exam hola what are radical numbers amo what are conjugate numbers alo chuak tutta se holal palen tingemi entingan solve hemi engele ka shenga lo shim man thin dona maseng ka video in anto chuan exam hola tiang question in muchuan khaya emi chu all main ti dona chanchu you have already watched, you have already seen my videos and you already know the concept. So voina pakhaten terms po kanshadona. Rationalization can be considered as the process used to eliminate a radical or imaginary number. Hemi relote nuaka explain dona from the denominator of an algebraic fraction, that is to remove the radical in a fraction so that the denominator only contain a rational number. And tirnan a by root b anyatro hemi chu rational number anya. For example 5 divided by root 3. Yes hemi 5 is numerator hi chu n po angailo antenan mi 5 ni lovin root 5 po ni se kan boy pui tur ani mi alo mo kan boy pui tur ber chu anway mi denominator mi hi kan boy pui tur nya achunga chuan a rational number oma. Rational number is what? P by q, but q should not be equals to 0. This is called rational number. Maseng anway mi anto hemi hi amapan ka to rational what are number system video pahat kasiyam to root 3 root 5 root 2 ti value chu irrational numbers anya hemi takhinia hemi number takhinia denominator mi hi hemi rational number kan siam ngai thin chumi turchan enge kan tiang anwaya root 3 omatro hemi root 3 achunga po kan multiply nga anwaya po kan multiply kan mutur chu 5 root 3 anya chon anwaya root 3 multiplied by root 3 chu angeni thin root nwaya kan ziak te tro achan chu root waya root chunga nom ve ve a 3 le 3 so root lian do pahat kan ziak na chon achunga 3 into 3 chu 9 ania so what is the square root of 9 ti chon pathum ti hian kan ziak kan hemi answer ania terms hemi hi initiat nge nga ya what are radical mo radical enge masabara chuan radical hi kan express antinan square root te kan te trina a plus root b amo root or cube root a plus b amo hey square root of 2 plus root 5 or engponi thei maseng hemi format a hian a om nge ngai radical ni turin tuna radicand hi enge omzia second na hi radicand hi enge ti chuan hey a chunga mi square root ama cube root chunga mi shim ta hian ka muang cheu hemi a plus root b mo a plus b a 2 plus root 5 hemi radicand kan te train hemi degree enge ti chuan degree hi chu antinan ti hian kan zia kanga square root of 7 plus root 8 ani chon enge degree ti chon hemi hi degree nia 2 is the degree antinan ti hian ti taila a plus root y nita se enge degree ti chon 4 hi degree so simply we can say that 2 means square root 3 means cube root fourth root and each one degree is 4 fifth root and each one degree is 5 hemi index po kan titrina index is 2 index is 4 index is 5 mo tiang kan titrina maseng conjugate apoimo tuna conjugate apoimo lutuka nu le patan boya lekha 0 an titrina no kan zir peilo kan zir don lo vokcho juk pero antia kan pedon lo an titrina also un contradictory na conjugate kan titrin entinan a plus b what is the conjugate each one a minus b he initiatiam tihian antinan a 7 plus root 5 and each one enge conjugate each 7 minus root 5 initiatiam opposite zel tina chu sign kan change zelang tina chu opposite sign kan da zelang 3 minus root 11 what is the conjugate each one intluaka strike ngalanga 3 plus root 11 and then an example poron chuakte what is the conjugate of x plus y ti chuan mitam taken conjugate pon ngai thlawanga so then ris pa then option a x plus 2y omta se b x minus y chuan 2x plus y chuan c chu 2x minus y what is the conjugate of x plus y tichon what will be the answer tuna chon also the nangni pon in chang thei to na option number b will be the answer x minus y the opposite contradiction tinai che so conjugate chu and declare pon initiate reng turani tuna pahatte ten question kan solve anga initiatiam venga ti hian question kan solve of chon tlemina har vetri no atia theory ri no so achunga ngeom 3 tro kan rule number 1 chu denominator chu hi kan focus tur denominator a hian enge a om irrational nge irrational tro because root 5 is irrational number enge kan tiang ta hian hemi hi what is this is radical ania hemi hi radical ania so same radical achunga po kan multiplying a chon anwaya po kan multiplying same radical should be multiplied in the numerator as well as in the denominator tuna and root ahian 3 le root 5 kan multiplying a enge 3 root 5 obviously chon anwaya root 5 le thil baat ka shan chau arts background mo art students tatan antinan I competition kanan lo luthar ani tu chumi tatan chuan ani chu most basic train kas ka explain a chan so tahan shi athiamin tu manga root 5 multiplied by root 5 many of you directly you will say that it is 5 but for those who are new to the competition field for them I will explain it tahian root 5 ania tro root 5 ani chuan heta po root 5 oma multiplication sign oma tro an inkara chimi function tahian root seido bar kan zia kanga chun 5 le 5 achunga tahen kan ziak theya chumi zwa 5 le 5 kan multiplying a 25 ani trina 25 is a perfect square and what is the root of 25 each one 5 that's why we will write 5 here in Shatiam with the help of certain indices we can solve this root 5 multiplied by root 5 tuna root hi enge omzia 1 by 2 tro engma ta hian index amo degree engma in zia lo chon 2 tinania multiplied by hata po 1 by 2 ania base anin ang tro chumi function base ti hian kan zia kanga enge raised to the power exponent hi 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 tuna half le half chu pakhat ani thin tro pakhat so 5 raised to the power 1 chu 5 heta kan zia kang so ti dan chu tam tu ka pakhatte ten in du chuan a rough copy a zia kula hemi question angin zia kula question ta hian ka ziang 1 2 3 4 5 ti hian mo in zia kanga pakhatte ten in du chuan in solve thai ta hian pani pathum vel ka solve anga 5 divided by root 2 tro tuna anwaya hian kan ananga our main focus should be the denominator okay ta hian denominator ange irrational number tro chumi wangchon achung apo root 2 in kan multiply nga anwaya po root 2 in kan multiply nga me radical ania hata po same radical in kan multiply trin chon kan divide trin boka tuna 5 le root 2 kan multiply chon 5 root 2 ania anwaya hian kan check lenga root 2 multiplied by root 2 chu ange ni thin ka soi zo chia tro ta hian root bar sei do kan zia kanga 2 le 2 anwaya achunga kan zia kang so 2 multiplied by 2 chu 4 ani thina and 4 is a square perfect square and what is the square root of 4 ti chon 2 is the square root so 2 na chon anwaya hai p by q form am tolom 2 by 1 chu 2 ani thina where 1 is not equals to 0 omze chu q is not equals to 0 so we can say that hemi denominator true hi rational number ani to chutiang bok chuan hemi poi in solve thea hemi kan solve lenga 6 divided by root 2 tuna root 2 hi ange rational nge irrational tro chumi wangchon hemi radical hi achunga po kan multiply nga chon anwaya po kan multiply ne nakina chon hemi video in infection tiang questions the poimo all something in solve the don hemi question in mutro question is jo alang seilu to kanga ma seng in thiam nuwa chon in ta all some don to ma seng chumi tur chon video hi atira train a top thleng in en nge ngai tiang questions the poiron chuak chino ssc le banking tivel ai mi jutlemin I advance via ma seng a haulu to kania concept na kina nang mani ta all some don to chumi tur chon basic hi thiamangai basic hi shia tangai so tahian 6 le root 2 kan multiply chon 6 root 2 divided by root 2 le root 2 kan multiply chon 2 ania ma seng 6 by 2 again it in 6 by 2 chu 3 and it in so 3 root 2 tahian 3 root 2 is the answer so tiambok chon tlemin complex whether hemi hitlemin kan hemi solve vila 5 divided by 10 root 6 tuna 10 hi chu rational number nya kan khoidon lo engtin ma kan tidon lo wa root 6 hitro root 6 is an irrational number chumi wangchon hemi radically achunga po kan multiply nga chon anwaya po kan multiply ang achunga nge kan nei don 5 root 6 kan nei don a chon divided by 10 hi chu engtin ma kan tidon lo chon root 6 multiplied by root 6 chu 6 voi khat initiative mem chon achunga 5 oma anwaya 10 oma 5 and can cancel 5 1s are chon 5 tahen 2s are tuna achunga root 6 oma chon anwaya 2 6 are zat ngati chon 12 so our answer will be root 6 by 12 and mem root 6 by 12 is the answer in practice zelanga nangmani tanpon a all sum don lutuk tinari chu tuna hemi hi can solve rationalize the fraction this one tuna chon binomial om to paniom to mo tuntlenga can solve 5 by root 2 angka kan solve atro maseng monomial ania tuna chon 2 minus root 3 ang hi kan solve to dona engtinga kan solve ang hemi poi enru anwaya hian enge a om irrational tro hemi irrational number ania chumi wangchon same radical hemi radical hi anwaya le achunga kan multiply thin but what its conjugate me tahian poi mol tu kane he tahian voi khatma in ang turan ilonia he tahian root 3 its conjugate a conjugate in kan multiply anga chon kan divide ang ka soi zo chia conjugate ange omzia a plus b ni chon a opposite sign a minus b a plus root b ani chon a minus root b in shatia mem emo 5 minus root 3 ani chon 5 plus root 3 tihian a conjugate taken kan zia zela kan multiply bokanga chon kan divide bokang so tan e kan mudon 5 chon bracket at 2 plus root 3 divided by hemi engtin nge kan solve don tahian shi athiam tumula 2 minus root 3 multiplied by 2 plus root 3 ania tahian hemi kalari katla kanga let us assume 2 is a and root 3 is b 2 a anidona chon root 3 b anidona chuan anin kara eng sign nge heta minus oma chuan heta hian plus oma ama pon in zir tonga in shianga. What is the formula? What is the hemi identity in shianga tro? A minus b and multiplied by a plus b is what? A square minus b square. Hemi formula hi ju in shiat nge ngai tiang quotient hi solve turin. So then in notice anga a enge teach one a is 2, so 2 square is 4 minus b square. What is b teach one? Root 3 anya. And what is the square of root 3 teach one? Hemi square le hemi square root and cancel 3 na 3 cha 1 dona. Masing square of 2 is 4, so 4 minus 3 is 1. Hemi 1 ni heta hian kan sia kang in shatia mem. So what will be our answer? 5 achunga kan multiply nga du chon multiply lo pon poimi alo 5 2s are 10 ania chon 5 multiplied by root 3 is 5 root 3. This is our answer. In shiatiam lo chon voi khat ta hian tlem katlak dang lama heta hian achunga enge irrational number omatro maseng kan buai pui tur anilo. Hemi ju n po ngai lo mo hemi ju no need to look at this. Okay, you should focus only on the denominator. Denominator ang thil ngam 2 minus root 3 oma chon achunga len waya hemi radically achunga len waya kan multiply ten maseng what? Its conjugate. Conjugate le radically in shiat nge ngai nya. What will be its conjugate? 2 plus root 3 in shiatiam 2 plus root 3. Hemi hi poi mol tu kania heta hian nge kan ti leang achunga mi numbers panite hi kan multiply nga root 5 chon 2 plus root 3. You got it? Tuna hemi nge 2 hi a angin ngaila root 3 hi b angin ngaila 2 hi a ni dona root 3 b ni don maseng an in ka rank sign nge hei a minus b oma multiplied by heta a plus b oma. So kasoi zo chia a minus b multiplied by a plus b is what? A square minus b square. Adikam chumi wangchon hemi formula tan kan mangdon. What is a square? A square is 2 square. And what is b square? B square is root 3 square. 2 square ju kan shia 4 anitrin. Root 3 square nge teach one square le square root kan cancel anga only 3 will be there. 4 minus 3 chu 1 anya. Exama aron chua chuan tiang quotient ron chua chuan hey subjective type quotient ni ve chuan tihian kan ziak tia do chon hemi root 5 hi achunga po kan multiply thei tihian plus root 5 multiplied by root 3 is what? Nothing but root 15. Hey, this is the answer. Tuna hemi kan solve lenga tuna chon all some vet tong in tan pon hey achunga mi hi engtin ma kan khoi engma engatan ma kan tilaw mo hemi n po ngai lo tina chu root 5 hi whether it is rational or irrational eng po ni se kan boy pui tun lo maseng kan boy pui tur ber chu anuaya mi chau hi ni because in its definition enge definition a in zia ka process to remove irrational numbers from the denominator chumi function hemi 2 plus root 3 hi enge anti kan ti trin ka hemi radically a conjugate ta hen kan zia trin 2 minus root 3 achunga po kan multiply nga chon anuaya po kan multiply yang in shathiam tuna hemi lemi kan multiply nga what will be the next step? Root 5 multiplied by 2 minus root 3 tara chon anwaya hemi a anya hemi b anya hemi a anya hemi b anya and anin karang sign nge ti hian ne tara a minus b. So what is the formula? A square minus b square. So what is a square teach one? 2 square minus what is b square teach one? Root 3 square. So achunga chon root 5 le 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 square is 4 root 3 square is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So hemi can answer. Tuna region quotients can solve anga hemi quotient hi enge engtin nge kan solve ang du chon nang mani pon rough copy in solve anga in try anga. Suppose this quotient is hemi quotient hi UDC 2024 alo chuak ta se hemi mo ti hian 1 by 3 plus root 10 hemi hi lau chuak ta se simplify turin or rationalize turin ti ta se enge kan tiang tuna enge kan tiang kan ti tur chu ama pon ka soi to achunga mi chu kan boy pui turan lo anwai mi hemi radical hi achunga le nwaya enge kan ti don conjugate in kan multiply don le conjugate in kan divide don ni shatiam tro. So 1 multiplied by bracket 3 minus root 10 chu as it is tihian kan ziak don maseng 3 hi ange a chon root 10 hi b chon 3 hi a ni dona root 10 hi b ni dona tro tuna anin kara eng sign nge om ti chon hey 3 plus root 10 multiplied by 3 minus root 10. So this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. But what is the sign in between them? Teach one plus le minus ania. Enge formula ka A square minus B square tro. Chumi wang chuan tahian kan zia kang 3 minus root 10 divided by A square enge teach one 3 square minus B square chu root 10 tro. So root 10 square ania. 3 square enge 3 square 9 ania. Root 10 square enge root 10 square chu 10 ania. Tuna tahian hemi takinia hemi concept poi shiat tumula mitam takinan shalawa. But today you will know. Pakwa changin som kan page 1 exact nge minus 1 tro. Omze chu 9 minus 10 chu minus 1 ania. Tuna anwaya hen minus omatro. Hemi minus hi engtin nge kan dabo thei do. Engtin nge kan dabo thei. Chumi tur chuan hey achunga chang hian minus common kan la chua kang. 3 ma hian eng sign nge a om. 3 ma hian positive sign omatro. And positive sign is the product of what? Engle eng product ne ti chun minus multiplied by minus chu positive one chintro. Chumi wang chun plus 3 hi tihian kan ziak thei. Minus multiplied by minus tihian. Chuan minus root 10 in shathia mem divided by minus 1. Hemi aya basic hi tu manan shil lawang chu. Hemi aya basic hi chu mo tu manan shil lawang chu. Tuna negative sign hi an coefficient changin kan la chua kang enru. 3 ma hian minus pani omatro so pakhathi kan la chua kang. Chu tiang bok chun root 10 ma hian minus omatro so common kan la chuak to. Ma saying 3 ma hian pakhat kan la chuak pakhatala bang tro so minus 3. Chuan hetai chuan minus kan la chuak to root 10 ani don divided by minus 1. Anwai mi minus le chunga mi minus kan cancel de yang. Enge bang don hetahan final answer ka zia kanga minus 3 plus root 10 chu engting e kan zia thei root 10 minus 3. Root 10 minus 3 is our ultimate answer. Chu tiang bok chuan hemi poi kan solve lenga antenan hemi ULDC alo chuak ta se 1 divided by root 2 plus root 5. Inshia thiam chuan kati tak tak inshia thiam lo chuan video hi tlemin revinula video hi tlemin bekula chuan in en le don in la shia thiam lo chuan message a milo DM la WhatsApp Insta khoya po milo zotula ho shilang chau 1 divided by root 2 plus root 5 ania. Tuna hemi radical hi achung ale nwaya kan multiply don but opposite to no hemi sharengula a conjugate in kan multiply le kan divide thina root 2 minus root 5 chun anwaya po root 2 minus root 5. Okay, achung ajon kan solve mai dona 1 multiplied by bracket root 2 minus root 5 chu eng tihian eng manlawa simply kan zia kam maseng anwaya hian ange om root 2 plus root 5 oma chuan root 2 minus root 5 hemi om tro. Root 2 hi a kan assume nga root 5 hi b kan assume nga root 2 hi a kan assume nga root 5 hi b kan assume. But what is the sign in between them? Plus le minus ania. So a plus b chuan a minus b product is a square minus b square tro. All some then tihian simply will tahian kan substitute nga achunga chuan root 2 minus root 5 oma divided by anwaya a square minus b square tro achumi wangchuan root 2 square minus root 5 square. So tahian root 2 minus root 5 divided by root 2 square enge ti chuan 2 ani dona minus root 5 square enge ti chuan 5 ani don pani train panga pe chu minus 3 tro 2 minus 5 is minus 3 adikam maseng anwaya han minus kan datur ani mi alo minus kan datur an lo chumi tur chuan enge kan tiang kan ti tur chu nachina ka soida nang khan root 2 ma hian enge a om positive om tro. Positive is the product of what? Minus and minus. Chumi wangchon tahan kan ziak te minus multiplied by minus root 2 minus root 5 divided by minus 3. Anwaya mi minus cancel the turin achunga minus common kan la chua kang. So minus root 2 plus root 5 divided by minus root 3. Anwai mi minus le chunga mi minus kan cancel nga our final answer tahian ka zia kang enru minus root 2 plus root 5 by 3 hemi kan final answer or in rearrange thea duchan root 5 minus root 2 divided by 3. Hemi kan answer. Tizati in zia ngai subjective paper ani chuan. So full marks in dong. Tiang type question po hi lo chuak the in exam tinan I hemi hi in rationalize nga chumi nuwa in rationalize nuwa chuan number pakhat lo chuak nga p le q hi kan equate ang. So after that only you will be able to find the value of p and q. Hemi kan solve, hemi kan rationalize nga root 3 plus root 2 chan anwaya root 3 minus root 2 dule chunga irrational number pom se rational number pom se chunga mi chu kan boy pui turan law kan boy pui tur ber chu anwaya mi hi anwaya enge eng radical ngam root 3 minus root 2 oma chumi chu achunga po kan multiply nga chon anwaya po kan multiply ang maseng a conjugate minus ani chon plus plus ani chon minus ti hian kan multiply. Okay tuna hemi hi in munga hemi a ania hemi b ania hemi a ania hemi b ania anin kara positive oma chon heta po positive oma. So simply root 3 plus root 2 square netro achanchu bracket hi pani oma multiplication a chutiang bak chon anwaya hian root 3 a nia root 2 b ania root 3 a nia root 2 b nia heta minus sign oma multiplied by heta positive sign oma. What is the formula? A square minus b square. So heta hi chuan a square minus b square kan zia kang a nge ti chuan root 3. So root 3 square minus root 2 square. Achunga mi hi tuna kan solve photanga achunga han nge om a plus b whole square formeta oma. So what is the value of a square? What is the identity ti chuan a square plus 2ab plus b square or tiang poyan in ziak trina tro ti hian dudu daina zia theita wa kami ju dudu dain zia thea. So tahan kan substitute anga a square anga ti chan root 3 square plus b square anga ti chan root 2 square plus 2ab anga ti chan root 3 chan root 2 divided by hey root 3 square minus root 2 square chu engma anilawa but 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Ziangai lo anwaya 1 omchon. It is quite obvious. Achunga hian enge kan simplify lenga root 3 square chu 3 ania plus root 2 square chu 2 ania plus 2 multiplied by 3 chu enge 6. So 5 plus 2 root 6 kan muto. Hemi kan final answer alani lawa. Why? Because our quotient is p plus q root 6 in whom p plus q root 6 englenge kan compare don tahian in muthenga. Hey, what is the value of p? P is equals to 5. What is the value of q? Q is equals to 2. So value of p will be 5 and value of q will be 2. Het izati in ziakanga, then only you will get the full marks. So next question can solve lenga hemi quotient here 2 divided by root 3 minus 1 enge kan tiang anwaya mi a conjugate chunga po kan zia kanga plus 1 divided by anwaya po a conjugate kan zia kang. So achunga mi ju engma kan khoi ri launga but anwaya mi hi hemi a ani chon hemi b nia hemi a ani chon hemi b nia unsign ngan in kara minus le hemi plus ania. So again a square minus b square tan kan zinga a square nge root 3 square minus b square om chu 1 square. So root 3 square chu 3 ani dona 1 square chu 1 ani dona pathum train pahat kan pe chuan paninia atnoi mi le tungami pani kan cancel thea. What is the answer? Root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 is the answer. Tu na hemi quotient kan solve anga b na kan solve anga achunga 7 oma anwaya root 12 minus root 5. Tu na a conjugate anga ti chuan conjugate is root 12 plus root 5 divided by root 12 tahan root 12 plus root 5. Achung mi chu engma kan tahan kan ziak to panga simply 7 bracketa root 12 plus root 5 ania divided by hey root 12 hi a ania root 5 hi b ania chon eng format anganom a minus b le a plus b format anoma. So a minus b multiplied by a plus b chu a square minus b square. Here a is root 12, so root 12 square minus and b is root 5. so root 5 square tuna root 12 square enge ti chuan hemi square root and cancel anga only 12 will be the remaining root 5 square enge ti chuan 5 square root le root kan cancel anga 12 train panga pe chu engzat nge som pani train panga pe chu pasari nia achunga mi 7 le noi mi 7 kan cancel anga what is the final answer root 12 plus root 5 hemi can simplify there further eng tin ti chuan 12 enge kan zia thei 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 so 2 2s are 4 and yatro 4 is a perfect square and what is the square root ti chuan 2 ani don so 2 root 3 in shatiamem root 12 value chu 2 root 3 and 10 plus root 5 this is the final answer hemi question hi comment section a mo comment section a answer in lo tu manga a harmia lo a step chu ka shil to chautra achunga mi chu eng mapo kan boy pu turan lawa a hnuaya mi chau hi ti hian a conjugate nen kan multiply nga chun kan divide ang next video a chuan a tiang questions te poi kan solve anga tiang questions te poi a harvea tuna mi voina mi kha chu basic ania ma seng tiang hi in thiam don chon next video in en nge turani so next video a kain mule thau don ya thank you